Yeah man, greetings each and every one. Another episode, another week of Ziggie Seh. See? And this week, we're going to reason about King of the Dance. See? So let's keep it locked. Right here, so don't move. Alright, massive. King of the dancehall. See? I don't know from what here that in the media, enough right now, on social media, who is the real king of the dancehall. If it's Vybz Kartel or it's Beenie Man. See? Alright, I'm going to break it down for you right now. Okay, you don't know, you know. As Ziggie Seh, you know. See? Alright, I'm going to talk about Beenie Man first. Because I don't say him the older artist. Him bust first. So I'm going to reason about Beenie Man first. See? Alright, Beenie Man born Moses Davis. See? Yeah, in a Waterhouse. And you don't know, say August the 22nd, 1973. See, and the Dr. Beenie Man is like, him born for music. Because Beenie Man sing from about 5, you know. See? When Beenie Man about 7, he win the TSC's contest in Jamaica, you know. That's around 1981, you know. See, 7-year-old. See, so him born for this. He might do it from him a youth. See? Alright. When I'm around 15, them man, Beenie Man a DJ pan sound system and I go on X. Them time they don't know say Shabba Rankin and Ninja Man and Josie Ways and Burro Banton and them man there. Around the place are some bigger man than him. See me I say? So Beenie Man a do it for a long time, man. Born feet. I do him thing. We not take that from him. Alright now. During them time now I'm link up with Shocking Vybz at an early age. And you don't know the Shocking Vibe label was a top label, you know. See in Devante and Tanta Metro and whole heap of man is in a Shocking Vibe. Bling Dog, you know what I mean, Lady Seh, trust me, Frisco Kid, a whole heap of artists you see in a Shocking Vibes. Beenie Man was like the top artist in a Shocking Vibes. See? Yeah. So when I link up with Shocking Vibe, you know, and start a shut out tune out a road and now, you know. See me I say, Zima, who got the keys to my bima? You see me I say? Yeah man, Magali, now go on. Me and her friend them and fit camp. You know what I say? Yeah man, and them tune, them man shut out. Be a big tune the doctor sing out. And I rise. Yeah man, whole heap a big tune man. Beenie Man and the girls, them sugar. Them tune, whole heap a tune. See? Beenie Man perform on every stage show. All of the big stage show in Jamaica, they mean I'm upcoming and them thing there. See? Whole heap of collabs with local and international artists. See? So we can't take nothing from him. See? Beenie Man win all the Grammy in 2001. See? You don't know. Beenie Man win like Artist of the Year for like 8 years straight. See? So, you just can't take them things from Beenie Man. He's a great artist. He put in a whole heap of work. See? Alright. Him say him king of the dancehall. See? It's a self-proclaimed thing, you know. Because at the time, the whole Jamaica knows say a yellow man, the people they say the king of the dancehall. From them time. See? So when Beenie Man goes to no one start a shout out tune no one. Beenie Man do the song say, welcome the king of the dancehall. Pan river, pan floor, pan bed against wall. See? Welcome the king of the dancehall and self-proclaim say him and the king of the dancehall. But the people love him with it because him a going so good. No one else never did it. I worry about that. See? So Beenie Man run with the king of the dancehall for years. See? And we love him with that. So big up to the doctor. Doctor put in a whole heap of work, as I said, Grammy Award winner. We can't take none from Beenie Man. We put in a whole heap of work in the thing. And we respect Beenie Man, we respect your doctor. See? You have the name as the doctor, you know. The girls, them sugar. And them name they you get on your title, you know. See? Yeah. So we can't take none from you. So we just want to put them things out there from now for the people them know the road where Beenie Man a chat from. See him from like 5 come right up until this present time. Always stay current. See him always I sing songs for the girls them. See, the only time Beenie Man go do sing bad man song in a show, him and Bounty Killer, when him and Bounty Killer did the vibes, you know. The sound clash, the lyrical clash, you know. And you don't know, so you can't go a war with Bounty Killer and sing about girl song. So Beenie Man start sing gangster song now. See? Yeah man, that's how come Beenie Man touch the gangster thing. But a girl sing a Beenie Man thing. The girls them love him. Alright, some of us want to clear up the part there with Beenie Man because you know so the doctor is the doctor. And him is the reigning king of dancehall. Him say him the king of dancehall. We love him, the massive love him with that. I say, yeah, Beenie, you are the king of dancehall. See him for years now. See him? Alright, good. Alright, now, what is about Vybz Kartel now, see? Alright, born a DJ Palmer, see? You don't know, say, January the 7th, 1976. So, Beenie Man like 3 years older than Cartel, see? Alright, so Cartel born in a place, in a Portmore, see? You don't know Waterford. See, now watch it, Beenie Man, Waterhouse, Cartel, Waterford. So the two man them have water in them place where them forward from. See? Yeah man, that's two water man them. Alright now. Vybz Kartel step out on the scene around 17 years old them time there. With a tune where him say, love Fatu man. See? Yeah. Alright now, Vybz Kartel career. When they jump off, Vybz Kartel in the street I do him thing and I go and look the rise and thing and ray, tay. Then him goes so boom and link up with Bounty Killer in that alliance. But just a jump and a speed it up in a massive because I don't know a whole heap of space right there. So about from 17 him start the road, him left school and artist thing straight. Boom. Killer hear about him link up with the alliance. I don't know if the alliance is a top thing, top crew them time with Bounty Killer. I don't know say alliance, busy signal, seeing Wayne Marshall and only for top artists, Mavado. Seeing where Killer bring the whole of them money to the streets. The Vybz Kartel link up with the Killer now. And in the alliance. Seeing and start to write now more tune now him and Cartel with Bounty Killer him guidance, I guide him in the thing you know. Cartel never used to name and give a Vybz Kartel, you know. Adi Bantan Cartel come out as you know. Cause a Buju Bantan I'm idol, you know. Buju Bantan and Ninja Man. See, so Adi Bantan. So it's like when them link up around alliance, you know. It's like at the time them name changed up when them get the Vybz Kartel. Cause you know the Killer and them man they we give all the name, you know, cause them man they versatile them way. Them man we know say, no man, this are the name, see? Alright now, so Vybz Kartel. That's time I working now. So when them link up with Killer now, that linkage with Killer now, make him start get a lead link up with Dan. You know, say Dan a top producer in them time in the business. See? Dan goes to no boom and hear and vice him. See? And vice him with a tune where him say, in my car can I, with my buckle at all can I, car can fly, spliff as I spliff so told me I. See? And then Wayne Marshall, this are the new millennium, a different thing I go on. That tune that goes a whoop and shot. Cartel thing open now. See? Yeah man. And then goes a boom. When that tune that go on you know with Dan and him and Killer see him way. Killer goes a boom the first time Killer carry all Cartel on stage, you know. And in a skate land, you know. Remember that in a skate land, you know. But in the 90s, but maybe 93 around there, say, you know. And bring him up on stage, you know, and I tell him when for DJ. No, say, no, DJ the one that sang the Ray. And I saw, see? So I saw Killer as a man bring New York to the thing. I saw him bring Vybz Kartel to the thing. So respect the Bounty Killer. So them goes to boop with Dan now and Vice a big tune now. See? Them goes to boop and just start launch out big tune upon them. Picture me and you and me, KISSING. The whole of them sang there. See? Him even get the name as the teacher. Yeah man, Vybz Kartel, the massive them start calling him the teacher. See, so same old Beenie Man get the name the doctor and the girls them sugar. Vybz Kartel get the teacher. See, so that means the man are going good in them own a little way and them own a rights in a theme level upon the theme level are going with them thing and a rise. See, alright now, so the thing are going nice to Vybz Kartel now. Boom bang bang. Vybz Kartel get full of confidence now. Vybz Kartel after a while goes up and start him own a thing now where him goes up boom Gaza. Then and goes to boom him farm him own a Gaza and we don't know say Popcorn that Black Rhino, Lisa Hyper. And we don't know the list goes on. We don't know them. Since him start him own a thing now as Gaza and start to push out him own a set of artists them now. Cause him learn it from Bounty Killer, you know. Him take that from Bounty Killer. If him not take nothing from Bounty Killer, that him definitely take from the Killer. Him push out artists out the road. Alright, so after I do that now, you don't know, so the thing are going good and Cartel are run things. Cartel are going good. Right up until him get himself in a problem. Seeing and end up in a jail. See? Yeah man. So when he was a Bupanga jail now, that never stopped him career neither. I'm still a push out big tune from behind the bars. Fever! Them tune the girl are #1. See? So Cartel all win all award from behind the bars. So Cartel still a doing thing and still a stay current from behind the bars. Alright, so but just go on a little rundown about Vybz Kartel and the work when put into CM way and the level where he reach also. Seeing so Cartel go on good, him do him thing. Right up until him get locked up. Cartel dominate the place from prison. I'm not telling a lie, him dominate the thing from behind bars. Seeing Cartel perform on all of the big show them coming up before him leave the lock up and I bring on them crew them on stage see me and overseas and everything. So Cartel do him thing. Until him get locked up as I say, dominate from behind the bars. And I saw the thing go. So we just go on a rough rundown about Beenie Man and Vybz Kartel. So the two artists them I do major things in them own way. See, we're not taking nothing from them, are two great artists them. Alright? Cartel goes to Boop and get locked up. And then Cartel goes to Boop and come a road now. Alright now. And this is the whole King of Dancehall thing coming now. Because nobody never to worry about the King of the Dancehall now. The Beenie Man just have the title and I run it for years, you know. Over 10 years, you know. Nobody never paid that no mind. And when Vybz Kartel goes to Boop and come a road now, and goes to boom, the fans them glad for Cartel back a road. Cartel goes to boom, National Stadium, sell that out, and shut down the place, and go on good. See? Then he goes to Boop and come on New York, Barclays, back-to-back show, sell out the Barclays, all of them things there. The fans themselves say, yo, a Cartel are the king of dancehall right now. And the fans themselves say it, you know. See? Beenie Man not like that. Beenie Man hear that, but Beenie Man not agree with that. Beenie Man say, I hold on and say, no, I am the king. You understand? There can only be one king. Well, in my opinion, I say, no, Beenie Man. There can't be no one king. King is a thing where reign for a certain amount of years. See? And then they move on. And another person take up the kingship and continue with it. That's how king thing go. He just like the president, the prime minister. See? Him a president for years. Him do him time. Another prime minister, another president take it over. That not change the fact say him wasn't the president CMA. See? He must still an ex-president CMA. So at the same thing with you now, doctor. See? Cartel time of the people them say a cartel are the new thing. Alright, I'm going to break it down a little bit now. Because we're not just jumping at it and we're going to break it down a little bit now and reasonable put the comparison with the two artists them right now. See? Because boy don't say, oh, the king of the dancehall. See? Alright now. You have to remember saying, no, and not only songs alone, you know, music alone, that make you the king of the dancehall, you know. True, you push out a whole heap of song, you know. See, you have to be influential. See, you have to have the people, them, aware the fans, them, anything we say, and that them do. See? Vybz Kartel come out and go so, cake soap. And have the whole of Jamaica bleach themselves. Bleaching and tattoo up. True, him do it, the whole of the youth, them do it to same way. See? So, at them type of way there, you find out say Vybz Kartel. The man goes so, where you get the new clocks there, daddy? And which color that clocks make? The whole of Jamaica wear clocks. And from them time to that, and that are not even, that I remember say a long time clocks out now. But the whole of Jamaica wear clocks. And the Prime Minister himself wear clocks, Andrew Holness. See? Yeah. So, at them thing there, Beenie Man have, I don't really remember no song where, or no talk, no song where Beenie Man really have where the people them jump on it and follow it, and I do it. See? So Cartel have that over him, where influence the people them. Cartel is more influential to the people them. See? Alright now. Bossing artists now. Vybz Kartel, you don't know already, as I said earlier. Vybz Kartel boss a whole heap of artists. See? Popcorn, which is a top artist. Ja Vinci, who perform out there in the Barclays with him and all of them things there. Lisa, iPad, the whole thing. See? We don't remember of hearing anyone who Beenie Man bring to the street and boss, as we are saying in Jamaica. We don't know who Beenie Man boss. Maybe Angel get a little vibes of a Beenie Man because they most together. They've been married and everything. See? So Angel, after that, Angel kind of get the energy by being around him and get her music up. See? But that's it. So Vybz Kartel again. See? Boss more artists than Beenie. So, why break it down, you know, see? Alright now. Sell out the National Stadium. Beenie Man never sell out National Stadium yet. All the years in my own. Vybz Kartel come from prison and do it. See? Beenie Man come a foreign long time now. Beenie Man never sell out the Barclays set back to back. Vybz Kartel do it what they are. So when you see me and say, Vybz Kartel I do more than Beenie Man right now. So Beenie Man can't use in the 90s as king of the dancehall and I try to be king now in 2025. And I saw the thing work, Beenie Man. All respect to you. You do your thing, doctor. We're not taking none from you. You're still the king. Just like, oh, Yellow Man are the king same way, you know. See? But you take over the kingship and run it for a certain amount of years. Now a time, a Vybz Kartel time now. The people them say a Vybz Kartel are the new king because of the things them way him do. See? So Beenie Man, you have to let it go, brother. You have to just respect that, brother. I know so you're still the king same way in your own way. You was the king. The new king now is Vybz Kartel. And I just saw the thing of Beenie Man, I don't disrespect or nothing. Saying you put in your work, you do a whole heap of thing for the genre, a dancehall and reggae, you do your thing. See? You put in your work, doctor. Me I try to say all of the good things about you. I respect you as an artist. See? You do your thing. We not take nothing from you. We can't take nothing from you, brother. Respect, salute. Beenie Man, salute. See? But today, 2025, in this year, a Vybz Kartel, I do more thing. I do more thing of a kingship. A Vybz Kartel more influential to the people. A Vybz Kartel, the massive say, are the new dancehall, and the massive call the shot, you know. Because if of them, we artists, them are nothing. We don't know nothing without the fans, them, you know. And if the fans, them say, a Vybz Kartel time now, a Vybz Kartel, the new king of dancehall, Beenie Man, I just saw the thing go. And then disrespect. Just let it go and pass on the throne to, just pass it on the crown to Vybz Kartel. And just don't say, yeah, I saw the thing go. Because guess what? Each time I see an interview with Vybz Kartel since him come out, I never hear my disrespect yet. Him always big you up as a giant, seeing him stand up on the shoulder and help set the thing. I never hear him disrespect yet. See, so look on all of them things, man. In a little way, you me hear Beenie Man and disrespect him. I do songs and I call him Humpty Dumpty. That means it come like, you make fun of the man's sickness. See? So, we don't want to go there so with it, Beenie Man, but we just show certain things to the people them say, oh, you go about it, and oh, Cartel go about it in this time, this year. No. Cartel big up in everywhere, brother. I'm not telling a lie. See? So, guess what? Just let go that right now, just know, say, and music. Young Cartel feel link, you know. Because remember, say, when Cartel lock up, you know, you do song and say, a Gaza, me say. Remember say, a Gaza, you say, you know. So, warm to that now. See? I don't know what go wrong since Cartel come out of prison. I don't know what go wrong. Right, there's something must go, something go wrong, but I don't know what go wrong. Make you and Cartel just fall out. Make you and Cartel fall out right this as him come out of prison. Because it shouldn't. Because you need a link when him in a prison. Because you say it, you need a link. You say police even start all a check in on your phone because you did call him from prison and police start all a check in on your phone because of that he forgot to boop and dash the phone. You never use the phone for how much years you don't have a phone. The young Cartel was bridging, brother. Young Cartel, I see footage of young Cartel on stage, I go toe and I nice up the place. A DJ. See? So we're all of that. Remember all of that star. Nobody use this now to the people must say a Cartel are the new king right now. And I make you and the man in a rival. Thing is necessary, we don't want that in the business. See, Beenie Man, I just love and unity we want for you and Vybz Kartel. See? And in my opinion, Vybz Kartel is the new king of dancehall in 2025. See? And that Ziggie Seh. See? So massive. Until next time, just keep it locked. Tell a friend to tell a friend, as I always say. But tell another friend, let them know say Ziggie Seh. Alright? My love goes out. Out!